Which are the core documents on human rights? How many documents do we have? Don't worry, we will explain you in a minute. The most important document on human rights is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR. It was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948 in Paris as a response to the catastrophe of the Second World War. The UDHR is a foundational document that sets out a broad range of civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights that should be universally protected.
Other core documents on human rights are International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICPR, adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1966. The ICPR is a legally binding treaty that elaborates on many of the rights outlined in the UDHR. It covers civil and political rights such as the right to life, freedom of expression, and the right to a fair trial. International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, ICPR, also adopted in 1966. The ICPR is another legally binding treaty that focuses on economic, social, and cultural rights. It recognizes the right to work, the right to education, the right to health, and other related rights. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, CERD, adopted in 1965. The CERD is a treaty that aims to eliminate racial discrimination and promote racial equality. It calls for states to take measures to prevent and combat racial discrimination in all its forms. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, adopted in 1979. CEDAW is a treaty that focuses on promoting and protecting women's rights. It addresses issues such as gender-based discrimination, violence against women, and women's rights in various spheres of life. Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman or Degrading Treatment or Punishment, CAT, adopted in 1984. The CAT is a treaty that aims to prevent and prohibit torture and other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. It establishes obligations for states to prevent and punish such acts.
You can find more about these documents here.